So, you have to explain what we're looking at.
Oh, this is just impatiens, and see if they don't get watered every day. I didn't water them this morning because I thought we got enough rain. But those poor babies do not like heat, do they? Good old pole beans, and they're blooming, but some of them look kind of sad. You see, they have little flowers on them. And then I put roses on the stump back here. Holy cow, it must be 110.
He's hot.
Hot.
He's very hot.
Look at that.
No, the roses it's past rose season, so. Whew. We don't need to walk to the garage sale. It's kind of hot out.
Yeah, I think you're right. Too much stuff in that for the John. Hope I have enough days left for her for Monday. Probably do.
You can always just buy some more.
Yeah. The ground is still wet, but the flowers don't look so hot.
You know why that's why it's so hot.
Yeah.
Because it's so humid. The ground is wet.
Those mums just spread. Lots of mums for Mom. Poor little babies look kind of sad, don't they? Oh well. Maybe by tomorrow it will be. I think we're supposed to have hot weather all the rest of the week.
Yeah, I think the whole week is supposed to be hot. No more tomato plants or anything, no little garden anymore, huh?
Yeah, we got tomato plants.
Oh, there they are.
And we got potatoes. Martha gave us cooking potatoes. I've never heard of them before. And I've never grown potatoes before, so I have no idea what you do with them. I just stuck them in and they came up. These are almost as tall as I am. It's a good day to stay inside, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really hot.
Oh. Got too many stump tables.
Those are the annex stump tables. That's where the bad people go. when they misbehave during the party. There's my old dog kennels.
Yeah.
You should just trash that.
Eric Ricardo was going to pick them up, and I think it was too hard for him to get them out.
Yeah, they're kind of pretty much ruined, I would think.
Yeah. Little Impatiens is still doing all right here because it's shady. But boy, when they get sun, they just don't like it at all. Oh well.
Yeah, it gets too hot.